Let us study chemistry together with CBSE chemistry tips and tricks.
Calculate the molar mass of the following. What is molar mass? Mass of 1 mole of substance in gram. That is molar mass, right? H2O. How to find molar mass? See, for hydrogen, atomic mass is 1, right? In water, how many hydrogen is there? You can see 2 hydrogen. So 1 into 2. Plus oxygen. What is atomic mass? 16. Okay, on adding what you will get? 18. Okay, and remember to put the unit, that is very important here, gram. Okay, remember molar mass means what? It is the mass of Avogadro number of particles. Okay, so the mass of Avogadro number of water molecules is 18 gram. Hope you understand. For carbon dioxide, how to calculate molar mass? Carbon 12, right? Only one carbon is there. Oxygen 16. Atomic mass is 16. And how many oxygen? 2. So on adding what you will get? 44 gram. Okay. And regarding methane, CH4, carbon 12. Hydrogen atomic mass is 1. How many hydrogen is there? 4 hydrogen is there. On adding you will get 16 gram. Hope all of you understand this. Remember, molar mass means it is the mass of Avogadro number of particles of a substance.